For the pilot who needs to carry more, this folding kneeboard provides maximum storage space, encourages cockpit organization, and serves as the pilot's desk during flight. The left panel has ample room for small books, papers and items that don't fit elsewhere. The center panel holds the kneeboard under clear plastic with a pen/pencil holder and buttonholes on either side, allowing a pilot to fold back one or both panels with a legband. The right-hand panel contains a clear pocket for easy map viewing, and the elastic legband's Velcro closures fit any leg size comfortably. Black nylon with embroidered silver wings logo. Kneeboard is 6.5 wide by 9.5 high. Top reviews from the United States. Good basic board. Nice basic kneeboard. I'm a beginning pilot and it works fine for what I need. Pockets on each side for storage of checklist and small notebook.